Hey everyone, welcome to a quick tutorial on doing bushes. What I have is just an oval mop, and all I'm doing is just tapping it straight down with a Jenkins grain mixed with some black to darken it up. I'm gonna wipe that real quick and just grab a light green and just add some highlights. If you want to make it stand out a little bit more, grab a little bit of cad yellow and just throw some highlights right across the top. And there you have it. Quick and easy bush using an oval in 3 colors. Okay, that was fun. How do we give our bushes some more depth? What I have is some Van Dyke brown mixed with a little bit of black. And I'm using a Princeton Select 1/4 inch oval mop. I'm going to tap my mop in and just start right in here. Get that back there. Come across the front of this palm tree. And all I'm doing is tapping this straight down. Once I have a decent base built up, I can just, randomly add some brown here and there. I'll wipe my brush off. And I'm going to come back with some Jenkins grain that's had some black mixed into it. And this is something you'll notice with painting. Simple paintings only use a few colors. When you really want to elevate that painting up to another level, it's as simple as just adding more color or more shades of color. All I'm doing is tapping my mop into the Jenkins grain and then just tapping it straight down. I'm not trying to cover all that brown. I want some of that brown to show through. Fortunately, Jenkins grain is fairly transparent, so it lets the base color that's below it through really well. And you can see how it looks darker over the brown, whereas over the white, it's much lighter. Again, all we're doing is just tapping this in. I'll just bring it across there to provide some continuity. So with that one done, I've wiped my brush off really well, and I'm just going to pick up some regular Jenkins grain and just kind of tap that in. I don't want to cover everything that I have going on. What we're trying to do is build depth in the bush itself. And for that, we need to make sure that we have shadow. I really like the way this is coming out, but that's me. So I'm going to move over to some Jenkins grain that I've added some titanium white to. I'm going to just have fun with it. All I'm doing is, as I'm tapping, I'm twisting that brush. That way I get a little bit more randomness, a little more fun. I'm not doing a complete coverage of anything. And with that, I'm going to grab some of our cad yellow up here. And when I bring the cad yellow down into here, instead of just tapping it, I'm giving it just a little bit of a swirl, try and mix in with the paint. That way it's just a little bit more subtle. and the stuff across the top, which are the highlights. Now you'll notice that we built up all these nice bushes, but we still have highlights there on the palm tree, which is easy enough to fix. We'll just grab some of our brown, which is drying out. Gotta love the heat. And come back in over that. And maybe it's about there-ish. This area right here, I'm still not quite happy. I want a little bit more. So I'm gonna just take some white and I'm gonna add it to that Jenkins green and just get a nice really pale green. Let's try that. Oh yeah. I am not going to use a whole lot of this. And I am just barely tapping that in. What I'm doing is wiping my brush and just retapping this without any paint on it. That way it just softens it just a touch. Yeah. I'm actually pretty happy with that. Hey, thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this, please hit that subscribe button below, hit the like button, and go out and paint something. Have a great day. Love you. Thank you lots.